In this video, I will show you how to download GTA Vice City in your PC or laptop. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on my desktop. Now the best way to download GTA Vice City, there are a number of ways, but the one way I would recommend is to go through Steam and purchase the game. So what you want to do is open up Steam or come across to the website, and in the search box you just want to go ahead and put Grand Theft Auto and then Vice City. So once you've done that, go ahead and press enter on your keyboard, and it's going to take you across to the search results. Now you can see Vice City is at the very top, so if you click onto this, that's going to take you across to the page. And because this is an age appropriate game, you just want to go ahead and enter your date of birth into here. So once you've done that, that's going to take you across to this page, and if you actually scroll down, you can add this to the cart. Now this is currently available as part of the Definitive Edition. So the Definitive Edition actually includes 3 items. As you can see here, you get Grand Theft Auto 3, the Definitive Edition, Grand Theft Auto Vice City, the Definitive Edition, and you also get Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, the Definitive Edition. So all you want to do from here is press the green Add to Cart button, and once that's done, you want to come up to the top right hand corner and press onto your cart. So the price for this can change, but you can see currently it's £59.99 at the time of recording. All you want to do from here is click purchase for myself, or you can purchase as a gift if you want to gift this to someone. And then what you want to do is go ahead and choose how you want to pay for the game. So whether that's from funds from your Steam wallet, or you can click onto this drop down box. Again, the payment methods are going to vary depending on what country you're from. So I'm just going to go ahead and select PayPal, and what you want to do is go ahead and click continue. And then you would go through and just make the purchase on Steam. So once you've gone ahead and done that, what you want to do next is come up to your library at the top, and you're going to see that the game will be in your library. So what you can then do is install this by clicking on the game in your library of games on the left hand side. Now what's going to happen is you're going to get a blue install button, so it's going to tell you the space required, and all you want to do is press the install button to start installing the game onto your PC. Once that's installed, when you next come to this page, instead of saying install, it's going to say play, so you can go ahead and click play and go ahead and play GTA Vice City. So that's how to go ahead and download GTA Vice City on your PC. I hope this tutorial helped you out today. If it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.